Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Raising muscadine. Muscadines can be raised from seed. You can collect the seed. Do realize that with all seeds, there's usually some genetic diversity. So most of the time, if you want something to be really true to variety, you'll probably break down and go buy one from the nursery or store where it's probably been grown vegetatively. But if you do take the seed, plant the seed about 1/4 of an inch deep. Now this is a muscadine plant right here. Of course, grapes have great looking foliage, and they certainly add to that tropical nuance that you get from grapes. Grapes, of course, muscadines will give you 1 to 3 to 5 grapes at a time. They're not going to have big, long clusters, but you'll get large fruit, sometimes the size of a quarter to the size of a half a dollar. The flavor is good. Muscadines are a little bit on the chewy side as opposed to some of the grapes that you may be used to in the store. But they're full of sugar and they're full of flavor. Muscadines usually should be in full sun to partial shade. pH of about 5.5 to 6.5, and I would improve the planting site. If you're going to put them into a soil to start the seed, remember it'll take probably about 2 to 3 weeks for that seed to germinate. Growing grapes is fun. I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.